Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following error notification while I try to log in my Instagram account and it shows cannot log in with Facebook. Try logging in with your password. Once you log in, you can enable login in across accounts in your account center. And the same error messages also occurs in my Instagram desktop mode. So how to fix this issue? So if you get this message, just press forgot password. So here you can type your Insta username or email ID or mobile number, and this is for to identify your Instagram account. So once you type it and then click to next, and they ask for the verification code send method. So I try to select send an SMS. So you can wait for a few seconds because they sent the verification message to your mobile number. So finally I received this code. And also my Instagram account is successfully logged in. So anyway, once you retrieve your account, just do this one additional step, and this step will help you to avoid this kind of error messages while try to log in your Insta account. So anyway, just go to your profile section and then press this horizontal 3 lines icon. So here you can press settings and scroll down and click to access account center. So here you can go to logging in across accounts and finally click to enable this option. So once you enable this option, in future it does not show this kind of error messages. So anyway, for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.